Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how I made those little folds here on the cushion, and to do that I'm gonna use Blender 2.5 and Gimp 2.6. So first of all I will let you make this very simple mesh like a wheel. I will let you unwrap it and put it on a new image, and I will let you save the image on your disk. Okay, so next go on Gimp and open your image. So I saved it on the background. Here it is. So first of all you will paint everything with 50% gray. Next we will need a new brush, so we will create a new brush. So just create a new image, use 100 here and 20. Okay, so put it vertical, it's better. Okay, so create this. First of all add an alpha channel and delete everything. Okay, so use the path object, the path tool, and draw something like that. So you just click once here, you click and you drag here, you click and you drag here, up, not too much, you just click once here, you click and you drag, you click and you drag, and control click here to close the path. Go in the path menu and send the path to set to selection. The goal is to have a very smooth effect here on the borders and a very sharp effect at the end. So now go in the, so reset the foreground and background, go to the gradient menu, use from foreground to transparent. It's better to use black and transparent for brushes. Here choose shaped angular and just draw any, you don't need to choose, just do the gradient here. Deselect everything, and now the tricky part, go in the channel dialog and send the alpha channel to selection. Press Ctrl I to reverse the selection and press twice delete. 1, 2. Okay. Unselect everything. So now we've got our brush. So now we've got the brush, and what we are going to do is we will make an animated brush to get a natural, randomly positioned effect of the little folds. So to do that you will go in the image menu, the canvas size, and check the proportional editing, and you will put 25 to the whites and 110 to the 120 to the height. Okay, resize it and click center first and resize it. Now you will duplicate your layer 4 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and each of the layer you will move it in a corner of your image, so like that. Oops. The second one on the top right corner, the third one on the bottom right, the fourth one on the bottom left, and very important, the center one you put it all the way up. It must be the first one. And very important too, when you're doing an animated brush you need to use the layer to image size. It's very important that every layer have the same size as the image. So do it for each of all of them. Next you need to save your brush. So to do this, if you don't know where to save, you go in Preference, Edit Preference, you open the folders, the brushes, and here you can see where are the location where you can save your brushes. So Gimp will find them. So save it. So for me it's point Gimp point brush /brush. I will save it with the GAH extension, sorry, GAH extension for animated brush. So replace, yes. So here are the setting of your brush. So for the spacing you need to put 80% or 100% as you like. The description you can put whatever you want, but for the rank it's important to put 5 because we want the random effect to effect on the first layers. So when you have put the same setting as I did, just save. Now you go back to your image, you go to the brush menu, you can open it with this little arrow here, the brush menu is here, and you refresh the brush menu, so your new brush will appear. So here it is. As you can see, here is the description we've made. So let the default setting, the scale 1 and 100% of opacity, and draw up once, twice. Okay, now pull down the opacity, the scale 2, and draw again. Try to be more constant that I did. Okay, lower down the opacity once more, and the scale, and here draw several times on each line. Save your image, go back to Blender, oops, sorry, refresh your image to be sure to get it, and check that you only check the normal thing, the normal influence. You uncheck the color one, and you put a negative value because it's black, so it should be a positive relief, and we want a negative one. So now just do a render, and you can see that we have more or less what we want. So to get it perfect, you need to be more careful about the unwrap and all that. You can see that I put those two lines here very vertical, because if they are not, if for example I do like that, I grab it, I do like that, we will see an ugly thing here. Oops, we don't see it, but we can see that there is an ugly angle here. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. So have a good day. Goodbye.